Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone down and removing the SIM tray. Take an ESD strap and the right bits. Once done, heat the frame to soften adhesive and use a plastic pick to create a gap. Work a corner, not a single spot, to avoid cracking. Make sure to expose and disconnect the battery cable immediately so the main board is safe. You'll unscrew the midframe next and set screws in labeled slots so reassembly is straightforward and predictable. You now remove the LCD/digitizer flex cable by lifting its latch and sliding the connector out. This avoids tearing the ribbon. After that, separate the old screen from the midframe, use heat again if adhesive remains, and transfer any small parts like earpiece mesh or front camera brackets to the replacement panel. Before refastening adhesive, reconnect the new panel temporarily, power the phone on, and test touch, colors, and backlight so you finish by applying fresh adhesive strips and aligning the replacement screen carefully to avoid gaps. Press around the edges evenly to bond. Once aligned, reconnect cables in reverse order and attach the battery last so you minimize short risk. Torque screws snugly but don't over-tighten. After power-up, verify sensors and camera. If the display stays dark, check the LCD connector latch, inspect the backlight fuse or power rail, and try a known good cable or panel to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.